project at the time helped us to, at the time is still Brother Ines as our headmaster. So it is help us to get the one of the ministry program. It is a school a center of excellence. So we got it. So it is. I think the program is synergized with the program from the project. So we have get a lot of impact with that program. One of them that the way how we produce the module, and then how we have a good knowledge about the teaching, the way teacher style in teaching and learning process in the school, and that's why some of schools around us, as it's also in the vocational high school, they invited us to share good practices for them. So when from the schools we have we were three at the time. So we go to the three different school. We share them about how to produce the model, the mechanism of the curriculum itself, how to apply to the students, how to maintain the students. Because some of them have I think most of the schools in Sumba have the same problem to get the suitable industrial that match with their major, because we know that the students should get the internship around 6 months, but the company is not there for them. Like for example, like apa? Kayak, yeah. Like DKV, design communication, visual design. It is still difficult to find out that the company have matched with us. Yeah, it is that's right.
Yeah.
I think it's all the problem, but I think all the program, all the train that we get so far is really good and help us to develop ourselves.